Did you know that email marketing gives 160% more conversions and 40% more ROI than as compared to conversions and ROI from social media and search engine traffic combined? Email marketing is still the king when it comes to getting exponential ROI, building a loyal customer base, and generating more profit. But do you also know that an average person receives more than 80 emails per day? So the odds are your email is going to stay unnoticed, unopened, and not going to produce any results that you wanted or expected. Consider yourself lucky if you land in the inbox. But yeah, don't forget the promotion tab that literally vexed the dreams of email marketers. And it became worse when Google automatically started asking users to unsubscribe from the emails they haven't opened for a while. Because of all these reasons, for an average marketer, ROI and conversions from email marketing declined drastically, and people started talking about the death of email marketing and started looking for alternatives. This is when, for the first time ever, Google decided to help email marketers. In a surprising turn of events, Google launched a new email annotation technology to masses, which was previously only available for big business and multinationals. I'm sure you've already come across such emails from big brands and MNCs, which you couldn't ignore, even in your promotions folder. Yes, these emails are powered by Google's latest annotation technology, which gives priority position to your emails in your subscribers' Gmail accounts promotions tab. Makes your emails stand out from the hundreds of others in your inbox. These annotations give top brands like Samsung, Booking.com, Domino's, and others the opportunity to provide more detail and context to an email. They can improve branding in the form field with a logo and company name, and give an email more urgency with an offer expiration date and lots more. Earlier, this technology was only available to those big brands and MNCs, but now it officially is available for you as well. Introducing Freshmails. Big billion-dollar companies have already shifted their focus to making smart annotated emails instead of simple text-based emails. Who doesn't want to get maximum attention, opens and clicks, and boost their email marketing profits by 400% in just 3 simple clicks with over 30% action rate? Freshmails is a revolutionary tool which instantly boosts your clicks and sales by 70 times with powerful and smarter emails. With Freshmails, you'll always stay ahead of your competition, who's still sending old-school text-based emails like all the others, while your emails will be highlighted with your marketing message, priority position, and with scarcity and CTA embedded right in the preview of your emails. Imagine the power of showcasing your products, banner, and visuals even before your emails are open. In just a few clicks, you can add your custom coupons, discounts, promo codes, featured images, expiry dates, and much more in your email preview in Gmail Promotion tab. And the best part, Google will automatically put your email on the top of your subscribers' inbox with top picks. It's like Google Ads, but 100% free. You can even confirm the actions like registration for webinar, event, RSVP confirmation, and other one-click actions without the subscriber ever opening the email. All it takes is just 3 steps to convert your basic emails into smart, annotated emails using Freshmails. Step 1. Enter your subject, discount coupons, feature image, and logo. Step 2. Add the generated code inside your emails in your favorite autoresponder. Step 3. Smile, because there is no Step 3 required. While you're reading this, companies like Samsung, Amazon, Domino's, and hundreds of others are playing ahead of the game than 99.99% of all business owners online. Every minute, they're getting more email opens, clicks, and engagement by sending annotated emails from every Gmail subscriber who is in their mailing list. Their emails automatically get displayed on the top spot in the subscribers promotion tab like a paid Gmail ad, thus giving them over 80% action rate. These are just a few examples of the styles of emails which you can create and send in less than 60 seconds. Coupon and discount badges, display deals and offer badges, feature images and logos, conversion scarcity emails. And not just that, you can create different kinds of actions, including get confirmation on webinar events in 1 click, confirm RSVP actions, 1-click actions to track and retrack them. You can create unlimited annotated emails and unlimited campaigns. Use the real-time editor with the preview of your emails in promotion tabs. Just select from ready-to-use 50-plus templates or start from scratch and create your own. Add the generated code to your favorite autoresponder and start getting the results. This is a dream tool of every email marketer, and it can be yours today at a highly discounted price. Once this special launch is over, we will be selling thousands of monthly membership accounts around the world at a much higher price. However, today you have the exclusive opportunity to grab your permanent membership of Freshmails at a low one-time payment. But we're not done yet. For this special charter launch period, we're also including commercial license in your purchase. Yes, you can use Freshmails for your clients and charge them $500 to $1,000 for a simple campaign, or you can provide monthly service to them. Freshmails is covered with our rock-solid 180-day money-back guarantee, which means if it doesn't live up to every claim on this page, just get in touch for a prompt refund. That's how easy it is for you. This is the innovative dream tool of every email marketer, and it can be yours for an extremely discounted price right now. I'll see you inside in the members area.